New research has proven that elephants' emotional characteristics are similar to those of humans. It turns out the animals have distinct personalities. They can be aggressive, attentive and outgoing. For the study, scientists asked elephant riders, or mahouts, to answer questions about the behaviors of the animals they worked with each day. A new study has found that elephants, like humans, have distinct personalities. They can be aggressive, attentive and outgoing. Pictured is an elephant with its mahout, or rider, who the animal works with each day. In Myanmar's timber industryDr Martin Steltmann, who worked on the new report, explained how his team defined the traits that categorize elephants. He said, "Attentiveness is related to how an elephant acts in and perceives its environment. Sociability describes how an elephant seeks closeness to other elephants and humans, and how popular they are as social partners." Aggressiveness shows how aggressively an elephant acts towards other elephants, and how much it interferes in their social interaction. Dr. Steltmann's team is hopeful the new research can aid in elephant conservation efforts.